Have you ever met this problem? Got a second-hand iPhone or iPad but it's locked by MDM? If you reset your device, it will reach remote management screen. Whether you want to bypass remote MDM or remove local MDM, please keep watching. In part 1, we will show you how to bypass remote MDM. Run AnyUnlock on your computer and connect your device via USB cable. Choose Bypass MDM. Next, click Bypass Now. Before bypassing, please make your device reach remote management screen. When it has done, complete setting up on your device. In part 2, we will show you how to remove local MDM. In the same way, choose Bypass MDM. Click Remove Local Device Management at the bottom left. Next, click Remove Now. When it has done, you will see the screen on your device, then tap on Continue to enter your device. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.